Vicky here with you. It's been a long time since I filmed from my garage. My space was a disaster area, so I cleaned it up a little bit, enough to be able to film, because I figured this would be easier from this angle than from my other table, just because it's big pieces. So I've been looking for one of those cake stands, you know, the types that are raised, and I really wanted one for Christmas because I want to make some little cakes and all kinds of little things, brownies and that sort of thing, and you know, just many little portion size, and I wanted to be able to cover them up and to showcase them. So I've been looking and I couldn't find anything that I liked, and so I went to Value Village and I found these three items. So this is a candlestick and it was $4.99. I left the price tag so you guys could see. I washed the candlestick very well. The rest I'm going to be washing once I'm finished with it, just because I want to clean it off obviously before I put anything in it. This was $5.99, and this reminded me of a story from when I was a kid. For my birthday, my grandpa went to get a cake, and it was in a plate like this with a top exactly like this, and bringing the cake to the table, he lifted it up just like this to see what was underneath, and the cake fell on the floor. And my grandmother was so upset because my birthday cake was ruined. But we were laughing, and my grandfather was terribly upset with himself. And it was just one of those moments that you remember for the rest of your life. So I figured this was going to be useful. Even if I change the plates one day, this can still be useful. And it was $5.99, so very inexpensive, I found. And I had been giving Value Village items, so I had a coupon for 20% off. So that was great. So overall, this cost me, because the plate was $8. It's fairly expensive, but at the same time it's really heavy and seems like crystal quality and really beautiful. So I was willing to pay that. So overall, this cost me 20 bucks, but then when you remove the discount, it ended up being 16. So not bad. I find that now I have something that I like and that I can use for many years. So this is the beautiful plate, and like I said, it was $7.99, and I just think it's so pretty, and it has a pinwheel type of pattern inside here, and so that's the plate. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on top of that and glue it like so, and I'm going to glue it with E6000, and then you can see that this is what it's going to do, and I think it's going to turn out perfect. And I really thought this was very pretty for this type of thing. So I've done this before. I've shared with you guys a make that I had done for Canvas Corp using their paint, and the one thing though with this is you need to let the glue set, and it takes about a day to make sure that it's really glued tight and that it's not gonna lift up ever again. I'm sure you could probably pull it apart, but once you glue it together, honestly, I don't think you can do much of ungluing it. It's really strong, this glue, and that's why I really love it. So I want to put it, the one thing though is it really stinks, so it's okay because I'm working in my garage, but if you're working inside your house, that might be something you want to consider. So then I'm just gonna place it kind of in the center of my plate. And that's it. I'm gonna let it sit and glue tight, and then my cake plate dessert plate will be ready for the holidays. So I just thought it's a fun, easy little make. It could make a nice gift if you wanted, for somebody. That could be something that you can do. I've done the previous thing I had done was using a butter dish, which was obviously much smaller, and so I had used a regular candlestick. But because this is so big, I wanted to make sure that it was going to be sturdy and it wasn't going to shake and come loose. So that's why I decided to go with a heavier candlestick type of base. So yeah, that's my reasoning behind it, because I figured if it was really one of those small ones, it probably wouldn't be sturdy enough to hold on the table, and I didn't want it to topple over. So hope it inspires you. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and do you remake items through what you find in your house? I'd be looking forward to knowing that, and what type of Christmas prep or holiday prep are you doing, because I know that for my US friends, Thanksgiving is coming, so that's something obviously that you guys are prepping for. So I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Bye everyone, stay safe.